Welcome back. In the last video, we covered f-strings and how to format text. In this video, we'll learn about comparison operators. These are special symbols that allow us to compare two values. When you compare values, Python will always answer with a Boolean, either true or false. Let's open our editor and set up two variables to compare x equals 10, y equals 5. First, let's check if they are equal to each other. In Python, we compare for equality using two equal signs. Write print x equals y. Run the program. The output is false. Remember, a single equals sign is used to assign a value to a variable, while a double equals sign is used to compare them. Now, let's check if they are not equal. The not equal operator is an exclamation mark followed by an equal sign. Let's write print x not equal to y. Run the program. The output is true. Since 10 is indeed not equal to 5, Python returns true. Next, we have the greater than and less than operators. Let's write print x greater than y. Print x less than y. Run the program. The outputs are true, followed by false. Python evaluates these math comparisons just like we do in school. This kind of comparison is extremely useful. For example, a website might check whether a user is 18 or older before allowing access to certain content. Let's write age equals 18. Print age greater than or equal to 18. Run the program. The output is true. What if we want to check if a value is greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to? Let's create two new variables to demonstrate this. A equals 10. B equals 10. If we write print A greater than B, and then print A greater than or equal to B. Run the program. The output is false, then true. Since 10 is not strictly greater than 10, the first check is false. But because 10 is equal to 10, the second check using greater than or equal to is true. We can also do the same for less than or equal to, written as a less than sign followed by an equal sign. Now, let's test your understanding of comparison operators with 3 quick challenges. Look at this first code. X equals 7. Y equals 8. Print x less than or equal to y. If we run this, what is the output? Option A, true. Option B, false. Pause the video if you need time to think. Ready? The answer is option A, true. Since 7 is less than or equal to 8, the condition is true. Now for the second challenge, name 1 equals Alice. Name 2 equals Alice. Print name 1 equals name 2. What is the output? Option A, true. Option B, false. Take a moment to decide. Ready? The answer is option B, false. In Python, string comparison is case-sensitive. Computers treat uppercase and lowercase letters as different characters. So uppercase A and lowercase a make these strings different. Here is our final challenge: x equals 5. Print x equals 5. What will happen if we run this? Option A, true. Option B, syntax error. Pause the video and make your choice. Ready? The answer is option B, syntax error. A single equals sign assigns a value to a variable. To compare values, we must use double equal. Writing print x equals 5 causes a syntax error because Python expects an expression, not an assignment. Excellent job! You now know how to compare values using comparison operators in Python. Notice that every comparison gives us either true or false. In the next lesson, we'll use those true and false values to make decisions inside our programs with if statements. Let's keep going.